friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Pikachu, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first, let's get started. Pikachu's head's going to be tilted on a diagonal. So we'll frame in the shape of the head first to make it a little easier. So on the top, we're going to curve this over and out, and this will be the top of Pikachu's head. We're going to come down on that diagonal, curving this out and in. We'll do the exact same thing coming up on a diagonal on the right, replicating that, extending that down. Now to round out the cheek, we're going to bring this line out, tugging that over and through on a diagonal again. And then we'll replicate that on the right. And we're just going to end that at the same height. Let's close off the ears. On the top right, we're going to curve this up. And then from that point, we're going to pull that back down and in on the side. Let's round this out on the top, curving this down. On the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line out. And then again, from that point, just rounding this out, tucking that over and in. Again, from the top here, curving this down towards the bottom. Let's focus on the face. So coming down, finding the center here, we're going to draw in a sideways oval for the nose, coloring that in black. Let's pop down here for the mouth, curving this out, replicating that on the right. Let's draw in a nice big arch line underneath. And then we're going to draw in a curved line for that tongue. Let's step up for the eye on the left-hand side, drawing in a circle. We'll come up on our diagonal, replicating that on the right. Now closer towards the inside edge of both of our eyes, we're going to draw in another circle for that highlight. And then now from here, let's just color in the pupil black. Let's round out the cheek on the side, curving that in. Let's come down for the arm. So on a diagonal from this, we're going to curve this down. We're going to leave a gap, replicating that on the left. Now from here, we're going to draw in a diagonal line coming in. We're going to bring that back up on either side. And then we're going to join that together in the middle. Let's come across for the body here. So we're going to curve this down, over, and through. Let's close off the foot on the left-hand side. Stepping down, we're going to round this out, tucking this down, pulling that back up. Let's draw in two curved lines right in the center. Now let's arch this line over. So we're going to curve this across to the right. We're going to draw on that right foot. So stepping up, curving this down, arching this up, tucking that back in. We're going to end this at roughly the same height as the one on the left. And then again, just drawing in two curved diagonal lines. Let's round out the leg here, curving that over and in. And then let's arch this up to the top. Let's draw on the right arm. So again, curving this up. We're going to line this up at the same height, tucking this back down to the face. Let's draw on a diagonal line that comes in on both sides. We're going to pull that back up to the center. And then again, in the middle, just two more diagonal lines. Lastly, let's draw on Pikachu's tail. So from the side here, we're going to curve this out on a diagonal. We're going to bring this down towards the bottom. We'll pull this back through on a diagonal towards the face, leaving a gap. And then again, let's bring this diagonal line out. And we'll tuck that back into the side of the body. And that is it. That's how you draw Pikachu. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.